Hello and welcome to episode 143 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to be showing some fingerstyle basics and combining chord playing with single note playing. And to illustrate this, I'm going to go through the G major scale and alternate between single notes and chords. Starting out, just put your finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string, the lowest string. We're going to play a very simple G chord. It's just 3 notes. 1st string, low E string, the D string, the G string. And I use my thumb, index, and middle finger. That's the very first chord we'll play. That chord. And then play an A on the G string. That's the 2nd fret. And I'm using my middle finger here. With my right hand, I'm using my index finger. 3rd note, now we'll play a very simple B. With your B, I use my middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and the open G and open B strings. And then a single note, play the C on the B string, that's the 1st fret of the B string. Okay, and then a D, the open D string, an A on the 2nd fret of the G string, and a D on the 3rd fret of the B string, an open E string, and then a G. This is actually a G 7th chord with on the 3rd fret of the low E string, open G string, open B string, 2nd fret of the high E string, and ending, play all that together, and ending with the 3rd fret on the high E string. So all together again. Okay, and some of this may feel like a big stretch to you. Use whatever fingers are comfortable to you. There's no standard fingering that you have to use, either in your right hand or your left hand, so whatever is comfortable to you. Just try to have each note ring out as long as possible and make it very smooth. So I'll play it once again very slowly, and I'd advise you to take it very slowly at first. So. It's like that. You're playing through a G major scale and just alternating chords with single notes. So it's a good exercise if you're just starting out in fingerstyle, just to try to get used to alternating chords and single notes. Hope it's useful to you. As always, let me know any questions or comments you may have. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.